We are in Fort DeSoto State Park. County Park, yeah, so weird. This is south of St. Petersburg and kind of west of Tampa, southwest of Tampa.
Kind of island in Tampa Bay on the Gulf Coast. It's
yeah,
beautiful.
It's super humid today, but we are we're actually here with our friends Brian and Chris. They're camped across the way here, and we're gearing up to take a little tour of the island here. The park, there's all kinds of things here, I guess, but we haven't really explored it yet. So we are going to hop on our bikes and check it out. So come with us. We got the Gulf of Mexico here. So pretty.
It's absolutely. So I think that's Brady to our south there.
And this bridge is,
I think,
It's
the Tampa Bay Bridge?
Tampa Bay Bridge.
Yeah, I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, because it's Tampa Bay.
It's really
Yeah,
pretty.
this
is-
Oh, this is Tampa
the
Bay.
inlet to-
Okay.
Well, it's how it goes.
To the Gulf.
Yeah.
There are so many birds here too. When we checked in, they gave us a bird checklist. So if you see birds, you could check them off, but there's a ton of different types of birds here. We've seen a few. I don't know what they all are, but
Big birds.
lots of
little
wildlife. I like that. Parakeets. They're like, I think green. They're green parakeets, you guys.
Go flush them out.
We'll go see. Don't scare them. But, oh, you hear them? Oops. I see them.
On the palm tree that's like.
I saw them. They were so cute. I swear I saw green parakeets, you guys. It's very exciting. I don't see them anymore. I bet they nest in here though. Okay, moving on. We made it back from our bike ride. This park is really cool. I think I want to go back and explore the fort more. We just didn't because we had the bikes and stuff, but
nice.
really nice. So we're back at our campground, and if you see, we have our duo out, our two-person My Canoe. And Dave's got some pole holders on here recently. That's a new addition to this boat. And we just went downtown and got some bait. And we're gonna grab a pistol and we're gonna head down.
We're on an island. We're surrounded by water. I got to try some fishing.
And somebody just said the sheep's head have been biting, which is something you're after.
It's one of the species I've not caught, but I want to. I hear they're like delicious.
Yeah.
It's kind of late in the day, but so what?
Yeah, so what? But I do want to, are you distracted by my hat? My mom says
I can't
it's...
hike with her in the sunshine because it blinds me.
No, but I thought this was a good fishing hat because it might like sparkle off the water and attract the fish. Do you think so? There's a story to this hat. Recently, it was very strange. Dave and I spent a day apart. It wasn't a night, it was just a day, but it was really weird for us. Chris and I had a girls' day, so check it out. I'm Daveless today. This is really weird. So I'm with Chris. You might remember Chris from when we stayed, well, she's been in quite a few videos actually. We stayed with them all through the pandemic, all through like our vagabond van build and down in Florida.
And we were stuck together. in
We
Florida.
were forced to live
Roughing it.
together. And we are actually out, they full-time in a Class A right now, by the way. They've sold that house and they're just out cruising in their RV. So Brian and Dave are back minding the dogs. And
Babysitting.
Chris and I are having a girls' day at Disney Springs.
Yes,
We're
Disney
not
Springs.
going inside Disney. We're not paying
No
to go into a
parks.
park. We're just going to Disney Springs. I kind of want to see like their Christmas stuff, and they have a bunch of trees, she said. So Food.
Yummy food.
Okay, we're just gonna go scope it out, so come with us. So you see, I just had to get this hat because it was screaming my name, right?
And now we're reunited.
And it feels so good. Yeah, how did you and Pistol fare without me?
You were gone?
Rude!
No, I fared well. Pistol's like always looking around, sitting in the camper looking out with the ears back.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, okay, so next time you see us, we'll be taking this down to the boat ramp and seeing if we can catch some fish. Maybe there's a fish fry in our future.
please. You jinxed me.
No, I didn't. I got my lucky fishing hat. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.